Hello YouTube, Crazy Robot Lady here. I'm just getting back to you guys after the devastation of Hurricane Helene. I am sitting on a tree that used to be standing in our yard. This has been an insane experience for everybody here in South Carolina. It's unlike anything I have ever lived through, and Hurricane Hugo was probably the worst for me, and that was back in 1986, 7, I can't remember now, but this was much worse. We were without power from September 27th to probably October 3rd or 4th, something like that. Yeah, the 3rd. We had to eat canned food and cook off our grill, and it was it was crazy. But we are fine. Our house is fine, but I can't say the same for people in different parts of the state. It's truly been a devastating storm. And the distribution center for all of the Ingles groceries across the southeast where my husband works has been devastated by this storm. So I may end up being the primary breadwinner for a minute, but I'm going to hope for the best, and ultimately God has control over everything that's happening here. And my heart truly goes out to everybody in North Carolina who were hit hardest by this storm. And I couldn't imagine what they had to go through. But anyway, I wanted to give everybody an update and to let everybody know that we are fine and the Crazy Robot Lady is fine, and we can resume semi-normal content. And I hope all of you are having a great day, and let's pick up the pieces and keep going in Crazy Robot Lady land. As usual, like, subscribe, comment, click the notification bell so you will know whenever I upload new content. God bless, and I will see you in the next video.